Hello there. I thought I'd show you how to make a never-ending card. This is a card that folds 4 times and then you're back to basics and you can start all over again if you want to. I have chosen to show you with a big card this time. This measures 12 inches this way and that way. And I have taken 4 different papers. Here's one, here's another one, and if I turn it around, you'll see there are 2 more. I have chosen different colors just to show you the way of thinking when you do this card. I have then taken one piece at a time, and I have scored them at 3 inches from the top down to bottom, and at 3 inches here and 3 inches here. I have done so with all the 4 pages. They all have their scoring lines at the same place. What I have done afterwards, I have layered 2 pieces of paper diagonally and 2 pieces of paper horizontally, and I have put some glue or tape here in the corners, just in the 4 outer corners, and then I have put the 2 pieces of paper on top of each other. And remember, you need to have 2 pieces horizontally and 2 vertically, and be sure of putting the corners to make them match on both sides, otherwise you could be having a difficulty opening this card up. When you have fastened these 4 corners, you are ready to start folding the card, or opening the card I should say. You do so with holding the card in your hands. You flip it around and make sure those flips go under, and then you start pressing those scores down, so it will be easier for you the next time you fold the card. And then you're going to see, just pick your card up again, and you're going to see where it's going to open up naturally. Press it down again, and you are ready to fold it for the 3rd time. And there you have it. There's no pressing needed here, because it's going to open up very easily. And now you're back to basics. So I'm going to show you the card I made yesterday and today. This is a big card. I wanted to make a big Halloween card, quite simple a card anyway, with just lovely papers there. And I'm going to open it up like this. And I try to keep it simple because I'm known to go overboard sometimes. I just try to make it work with leftover die cuts that I had in my stash, and I just didn't know what to do with it. I could put some wording in here later on, but I just wanted to show you the idea of it. And then I'm going to turn these around, and this is just filled with spider webs and spiders. Incy wincy spiders there, or incy mincy, what you call it. And this is the 4th layout. And I have used these Daisy and Dandelion cats. This one is dressed up as a Dracula, and here's the skeleton. And I have used small bats here, just to pop them up a little bit. And there is also some bat paper here from Basic Grace series Eerie. And if I flip it around for the 4th time, I'm back here to where I started from. So I hope this one inspires you to make your own never-ending card. And you should start now, because it takes time to get it done with. The first one I made, I think it took me 7 or 8 hours. And I'm telling you, the cutting out of all these pieces and papers and just deciding what you want to decorate your card with, that's where the most time-consuming job is done. But it's a very, very fun card to make. And you can use your leftover paper pieces and just use any kind of monsters if you want to make a Halloween card, that is. I hope you have great fun with it. Please post me if you have made your own. It would be very nice to see what you have come up with. Thanks, and Halloween to you.